Let's talk about my regret of being a content creator on YouTube, as a YouTuber as a whole. What did I ever regret most? Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vibration and I'm back again with another mumbling video. Hi guys, doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it's the first time seeing it, do subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. I know that a lot of persons might ask questions like, do YouTubers even regret becoming a YouTuber? Upon all the vibes that Vibration is actually bringing, upon the money she's making on YouTube, why is she actually saying she regrets being a YouTuber? Yeah, sometimes I regret being a YouTuber because I keep saying it on this YouTube street, like it is not all that rosy as everybody tends to see it, right? So even as a big content creator, for now, I program myself as a big content creator. I don't know about you. I still feel like there are some things I personally regretted on YouTube, you understand, and those are the things I actually want to say today, so that if you are actually aspiring to be a content creator on YouTube, or you started creating content on YouTube, so that you do not do the same thing or have this regret at the end of the day. Anyways, with that being said, the first thing I actually regretted as a content creator is not starting up on time, right? I've known YouTube for years, but the only thing I basically go on YouTube to do is just watch people's videos, watch people's content, especially during the time of that COVID-19, right? So I literally just watch people's content, just watch people perform, just watch people's lifestyle. And if I was knowledgeable enough, probably what I would have just done was just to do my research and then kickstarting YouTube, because 99% of people that started that time, especially that particular season, are successful on YouTube. That's just the honest truth. So that is one of the biggest thing I regret. And you that is watching me, you do not need to stop. You do not need to say, I'm just watching content creators for watching sake. I'm just coming on YouTube to do research. You do not need to say, YouTube is not my thing. YouTube is not what I have vibes for. All I just needed to do is to start. And to start is not difficult. You know, it is lately that a lot of people started airing up on how people can start on YouTube, because a lot of us during that time we thought that starting up a YouTube is a big deal. Like starting up a YouTube is something that is so heavy. At the end of the day, we cannot do it. But and I realized that it wasn't that difficult. All you need to do is get an email account, create your account, get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour, you can monetize. You understand? And growing takes just process. So definitely you are going to grow. So quit the habit of just watching people's content and start creating your own content on YouTube, because it will help you so that you don't end up regretting years after years. You understand? Anyways, the second thing I actually regretted doing on YouTube was starting YouTube with lifestyle. I will say it. I'm not saying that people that are doing lifestyle right now are not doing the right thing. Please do not get me wrong. You're doing the right thing. You're on the safe space. But for me, I regret starting up YouTube with my lifestyle. If I knew more information, probably I would have just done more of my research, probably, and know the particular niche that works out fast on YouTube. By now, I wouldn't have been where I am today. Like, if I'm starting up a YouTube channel like this right now, I would not start with lifestyle. You understand? So that is one of the things I actually regretted as well. Starting up a YouTube with my lifestyle actually dragged me backward. It took me 6 months on YouTube to get monetized from the day I started, right? 6 months. And of which a lot of people will be like, your own journey is even good. Your own journey is even great. Some of us are 2 years, some of us are 3 years. We are not yet monetized. Yes, I understand all of that. But with what I know right now on YouTube, if I would have started probably with a different thing entirely, I think I would have been doing more better than where I am right now. You know, as at that time, I was thinking the only thing I can actually offer on YouTube was my lifestyle. That's the truth. But right now, I now started turning back the hands of clock, trying to check how I started. I knew that I never had only my lifestyle, because I had other things going up for me. I had other things I was really doing that was actually fetching me money. So I think if I would have just started like that, it would have been better. There's one of my friends that we met on TikTok, and when she spoke to me, I told her, go into this particular type of niche. And as I'm talking to you guys right now, she is flourishing. Like, she is flourishing, and she has not even stayed up to 1 year on YouTube. And she's already cashing out, right? What took me 6 months to get $100 on YouTube just took literally 3 months to start making money on YouTube. So that is why I said I regret not doing my research enough. As someone that is starting up on YouTube, don't think that it's only your lifestyle that you can actually offer here. Look out for other things that you're doing. Look out for other things that you know you're good in. Look out for other things that you know that you can actually offer and deliver on YouTube. Because one of the mistakes a lot of us, especially Nigerian creators, have is the only thing I know I can put out here is my lifestyle. It is not your lifestyle. There are different things. They are finance. You might be making money in one way or the other. Use that as an opportunity to introduce people to where you are actually making those money from. You understand? Now, apart from that, you might be very good in maybe this current trending news, trending gists, celebrity gists. Instead of just putting out your lifestyle here, leverage on it. Leverage on what you are good in. If your own is you cannot see one celebrity gist, very dark man just drop video. Before you know, you have all the details. Leverage on it. It will be more profitable for you than just putting out your lifestyle here. I will still keep saying it. I'm not saying that lifestyle content creators are not doing well. They are 100% doing well. I started with lifestyle. I still have a lifestyle channel, right? So, but if I knew that time, I would have leveraged more in my how to make money skills. Because I remember when I started YouTube, I was not totally making, I've never, I was not even making a dime from YouTube, but I was already making money from other platforms. So if I would have been able to pull out those content where I was making money from other platforms that time till now, haba, I would have gone far on YouTube. So it is one of the things I regretted so much. And I don't want you that is watching me as a content creator on YouTube to actually regret it. So leverage on what you know you can do apart from just your lifestyle. You understand? Now, another thing I actually regretted on YouTube was not adhering to the rules and regulation. Like, how do I put it? No, not that one. Not like not adhering to the rules and regulation. Like, not talking to someone, not speaking to a coach, not talking to people that know the system. See, no matter how you tend to think that your research can actually make you super, you need someone to talk to. You need a system to rely on. You need someone to show you the direction. And I remember as at that time, Daniel Kwame was doing masterclass, and one thing that actually limited me not to do that masterclass, I think I said it in one of my videos, was because when I have the money to join the masterclass, I will have one family problem or the other, then I'll use the money to sort that family problem, forgetting that this particular thing I'm building was actually my future, was actually my wealth. You understand? So I'll use it and sort it out. And at the end of the day, I never joined her masterclass. And I believe that if I would have joined her masterclass, at least I would have been able to have some ideas. Now, apart from ideas, maybe what I would have just done, apart from me not being able to join her masterclass, was probably to book a coaching section with her. But I remember as at that time, Dana was the only person, for me, right? I don't know about others. Dana was the only person I knew that she was actually doing masterclass. But I did not hear her said she have like a coaching section where you and her can do one-on-one. I think the only time she brought out one-on-one was about 600 and something thousand naira. And as at that time, I do not have that money. Probably I'm miscalculating the figures, right? But I was just talking to myself. I said, if I would have gotten like just one coach or maybe like one-on-one time with maybe one of these good YouTubers, gurus, one of these people that have been in the system for years, one of these people that have started literally making money even when I was not making money, I think would have been able to arrive at a very distinct and a very good direction and focus. You understand? And that is why I keep telling YouTubers, I'm not saying you should come to my coaching section. Choose the one that you feel like it is very, very comfortable for you. But it is important and it is best for you to talk to someone. Let people that have been on the system check your channel to see what is really happening on the channel, what is going on the channel. Let them be able to detect what is actually going to move forward. You understand? For a lot of people that have actually come to my coaching sections or my one-on-one booking, probably they just tell me, Vibe Sonia, just help me check my channel. I just want to know if everything I'm doing is okay. I know everything that I'm doing, but I just want to know if this niche is okay, if everything I'm doing. And when we go in, we check with plus and minus, we decide to achieve more success. That is one thing I've noticed. And that's why I keep telling myself, this is one of the regrets I actually had as someone that did YouTube, that started YouTube and never had someone to talk to, right? Did I really regret it? Yes, I did. And me passing out this information is for you as a new content creator, a content creator to be guided. There are things you think you know everything. There are things you think you are very good with. And at the end of the day, I can tell you for a fact, you're not good with it. Until when you start counting years after years after years, then you now find out that at the end of the day, there's a whole lot of regret coming east, west, north, and south. Becoming a content creator is very easy, but knowing what we actually work, knowing the dynamics, knowing how the algorithm, how to navigate the algorithm, knowing the right tags and every other things that you actually need to add is very, very important. Anyways, these are the things that I regretted. And if I look back most of the time, sometimes I can't lie, I break down. I do break down, right? But we move and we are happy for where God has actually kept us. We are happy for the growth. We are happy for where we are today. And we can't say less, but just to tell God, thank you. Anyways, let me know in the comment section. Do you ever regret anything about YouTube? Let me know in the comment section. I really need to get your thoughts. If you're still looking for someone that can actually help you check your channel, what you're doing, what you're not doing, just like as some persons will actually tell me, Vibe Sonia, all I just need you to do is just for you to come see what I'm doing. We are available. All you need to do is to check this mail that is displaying here, faithonja3195@gmail.com, and send us a mail. Check out this flyers here as well. You will see our coaching section and thank me later. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to this particular channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments. Lastly, do not forget to share as I try my possible best to bring every single thing that can actually help you navigate your YouTube journey seamlessly and also help you make money on YouTube. With no further ado, like I always say in my YouTube channel, I'm going to be saying bye and I will see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you. Mwah. Let me know your thoughts and comments in the comment section. Bye for now.